Whichever sleeve you choose will shrink half the size of the diameter. One of the sleeves I used as a project, you can see it was just a little bit about half the size. We're taking a look at the Ginsco 580 pieces 2-to-1 heat shrink tubing kit with 6 assorted colors. We have the black, yellow, blue, green, clear, orange. Comes in the transparent case, so you can kind of see how many sleeves you have inside of it. We have 11 assorted sizes for the sleeves, which are labeled here on top of the box. We have the 1mm 80 pieces in black, 1.5mm 80 pieces in yellow, 2mm 50 pieces in black, 2mm 50 pieces in blue, 2.5mm 30 pieces in black, 3mm 30 pieces in green, 3mm 30 pieces in clear, 3.5mm 30 pieces in black, 4mm 40 pieces in black, 4mm 30 pieces in orange, 5mm 30 pieces in black, 6mm 20 pieces in yellow, 10mm 20 pieces in black, 10mm 20 pieces in clear, 10mm 20 pieces in blue, and 8mm 20 pieces in orange.